couple of months ago, I did a video review on Unbound Merino. And since then, I was curious on how far I can really push the clothes until it needs to go to the wash. So in this video, I will only share my experience wearing Unbound Merino in a span of 2 months, as well as how their stuff has held up. Now, if you need more info on the fit and sizing and all that, then I suggest watching my very first video review that I will link up above. All right, let's get started. So for about the first few weeks, I only used it as loungewear because it's super comfortable. And unlike basics made from just, regular cotton, it doesn't collect any smells. And if it does, then it's like very short-lived. I even sprayed a long-lasting fragrance on it when I lent it to a friend. And by the next day, there wasn't even like a slight linger of that fragrance, which is pretty crazy. Now, I've done everything you can imagine in this. I've cooked while wearing this hoodie, slept with my dogs wearing it. I wore it to coffee shops. I went to the gym with it. I dressed it up whenever I could, and it's still going strong till this day. I have yet to wash this hoodie. Now, same thing applies to the t-shirt and joggers, except I put a little bit more physical abuse by, going to the gym with it. But here's the thing. Unbound Merino, they advertise their clothes for exploring, the great outdoors, traveling the world, backpacking, and doing all kinds of, adventurous stuff, without, worrying about constantly changing clothes, right? And if that's the case, then it should be able to perform well in a gym setting. And that's what I did. I wore both the t-shirt and joggers to the gym. I got a good upper body workout in, as well as did some, 30-minute cardio at home. And I will say that it does match up to my performance blend t-shirts in keeping you dry. But I purposely wipe myself down afterwards and let it air dry the next day. And again, no smells at all. It can be worn again, which is something I cannot do in my performance shirts. Because they do smell a bit musty the next day, which is why I have so many of them. Now, even after, the mobility drills, movement, and exercises, the t-shirt and joggers also retain their original fit. I was hoping the joggers will stretch because they are a bit too slim for me. But yeah, they still maintain their original shape from the packaging. But overall, guys, my experience wearing Unbound Merino has been nothing but positive. They also do not know I'm making a follow-up video review. I just wanted to test it out. I just wanted to test it out more and share my experience with you guys. Honestly, you can really pull off more than a few wears and skip a few laundry cycles if you wanted to. And speaking of laundry, I bought this small, portable washer recently, and I use this for my dress shirts. And honestly, it's like the best investment I've made so far. I'll see if I could show you guys in the video, but all I do is put it in the wash cycle, put it in ring mode, hang dry, and I do not only save on, dry cleaning, but I save time from doing, that manual hand washing, and I can have my shirt ready to wear the next day. I will be using this to wash my Unbound Merino stuff, and I think it's worth checking out. I'll make sure to link this in the description for you guys, both the washer and as well as a link to Unbound Merino's products. Peace.